Create editable PowerPoint.
Still handcrafting your presentation text? AI can now create editable PowerPoint. With just one rendered image and a prompt, a full set of slides comes together in no time. If you have a display board image, AI can even break down its content into a complete slide deck. Whether it's a project proposal, product introduction, case study, or personal profile, it handles them all effortlessly. And the best part? Everything is editable. So how do you actually do it? First, open SUAPP 8 and import an original image. Select the PPT assistant. Customize the number of pages and aspect ratio. Enter the content style you want for your PowerPoint. Hit send. Wait a moment, and your PowerPoint is ready. The key thing is, the final output gives you two versions. One is a pure image version for easy browsing, and the other opens up fully editable and modifiable. Swap in a different prompt, and the style switches at will. It's that simple. Next time you make a PowerPoint, use this method.